Namaskar. Welcome to Cyril's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share my favorite recipe, that is stuffed mango kulfi. The ingredients are in the description box. Guys, please go through it. Okay? So chale, let's go. Follow me to Cyril's Kitchen. Come. Milk is kept for reduction. You have to reduce this milk. This is half liter milk, that is 500 ml. You have to reduce it to 2/3. Okay, so let it reduce on a slow flame. Okay, let's start. Take this mango, remove the head of this. Okay, now when you use this, make sure we use Alfonso mango. Okay, let's remove this head. Secure this head, don't throw. When you make mango kulfi, stuffed mango kulfi, make sure the mangoes is Alfonso. Okay, if you try some other mangoes, then it will be difficult, because Alfonso is good in flavor, in taste, and it is very firm compared to other mangoes. Now from this, slowly insert the knife round the seed of the mango. Okay, first slowly insert the knife round the seed of the mango, then slowly move down. Okay, go down, take your knife little more further down, slowly. Okay, now loosen the seed. You see the seed is out. Then position it on the holder. So here I have taken a glass. Okay, and whatever leftover seed, whatever is there, pulp from the mango, put back into it. Okay, okay, let's start with the second mango. Now keep this, don't throw. This is the head. Now same thing, same like how we did. Take the base, slowly dip, pull your knife inside around the seed of the mango, and gradually you push the knife below. Make sure you don't cut the mango from outside, otherwise what will happen, when you put the mixture, when you put the ice cream mixture, it will come out of the mango. I have 3 mangoes over here. Okay, now remove this seed. Okay, then put this second mango on the glass holder. Whatever pulp is there from the seed, scrape it out and we put back in the mango. Now here our milk is getting ready, side by side it is reducing. So after we finish, we go over there. Here we have scooped these 3 mangoes. Okay, now let's proceed towards the milk. Okay, you can see milk is reducing, so we have to reduce this to 2/3 and close. Now see, milk is almost getting thick, so maybe another 5 more minutes. This process takes around reduction of milk around 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes on a slow heat, but keep on continuously stirring. Okay, don't leave, otherwise the milk will overpour or it might get burned from bottom. Let's make gas little bit faster. So almost milk is reduced to third. Now in this we'll use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with little water. See? Now this milk, after 2-3 minutes, slowly it will start thickening. Okay. Now for half a liter of milk, we are going to use 1 cup of condensed milk. For half a liter of milk, we are going to use 1 cup of condensed milk. A little more. This is 1 cup. Stir for another 3 to 5 minutes till the milk thickens up. After that, we are going to turn off the gas and allow the milk to cool completely before we put in the mango mold. Now the milk is thickened. It took around 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, you see, this is ready. Now we turn off the gas and let it cool down, and then before we add in the mango, we'll add little pinch of cardamom powder and pinch of saffron strings. So turn off the gas and let it cool down. Our kulfi mix is ready. Okay, now we'll add some saffron strings and a little bit of pinch of cardamom. Pinch of green cardamom with some saffron strands, around 15 pieces. Slightly stir, and then we will add in this mango, scooped mango. Okay, let's pour the mix inside. 1, second one, okay, just put little to cover it. Okay, we have to close this with the same lid. Okay, that's why I said you have to keep that, you cannot throw this lid of the mango, and then we'll keep this in the fridge for 7 to 8 hours. Or you can keep overnight. Let's go. Before putting, just cover it up with plastic film or silver foil. If you don't have plastic, just put silver foil. Okay, this is because to prevent from forming ice on the top. That is the only reason. Okay, so you just cover it up with cling film or with silver foil. Let that we do for all these 3 glasses of mango, and then we'll keep in the freezer for overnight. Remove the head of this. Okay, and then with the help of sharp knife, just slice it. Then garnish with the saffron strands and some Kaju Kismis. Mango stuffed kulfi is ready. I hope you liked it. Do try. It's very easy. Okay, and don't forget to press the bell icon plus to subscribe me if you haven't. And please like, share and comment for my further notifications. Any recipes you want me to share with you, I'm very freely to share with you. So guys, please do try this recipe. It's very easy. Stuffed mango kulfi. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.